Hi guys, welcome to learn Chinese in a fun way. In this section, we will practice the tones and pinyin. And before start the video, I I have a question for you. And I changed my microphone, and I want to ask, how is the sound quality for now? It's bother you or it's good enough? Please write on comment section, and I will uh, buy or not buy a new microphone. So let's start the practice opinions, and please repeat after me, otherwise it doesn't help you to improve your pronunciation. Okay, and I will read slowly later. You repeat after me. Here, first tone and second tone, 漂亮,漂亮,漂亮. Here, third tone and second tone, we have a rule. We should make second half third tone. Okay, I will change this. Yes, like this, half third tone. 表扬,表扬,表扬, half third tone. If you make the third tone here, it should be 表,表. You observe the sound later, rise its volume. But when we make half third tone, just observe and say 扬,表扬,表扬, like this. Here we have third tone and later natural tone. Same rules, half third tone. 懂了,懂了,懂了. Here first tone and natural tone we don't have rule. 通了,通了,通了. Okay. Here, 消息, first time, natural tone, we don't have rule. 消息, 消息, 消息. Here, first tone and second tone, 脚机, 机, 脚机, 脚机. Here we have two third tone, and we have a rule. First third tone becomes second tone. 鼓掌, 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 like this. Fourth tone and second tone, we don't have a rule. 哭长, 哭长, 哭长. Here third tone and first tone, we have half third tone here. 小吃, 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 like this. Here we have third tone and first tone. 小吃, 小吃, 小吃. And here we have third tone and first tone, so we should make half third tone here. 北方, 北方, 北方. Here third tone and second tone. Again half third tone here. 北方, 方. Here 方, second tone. 方, 方, 方. 北方, 北方, like this. Fourth tone and natural tone, we don't have rule. 分量, 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 分量. First tone and second tone. 分量, 分量, 量. Here 量, 量. 分量, 分量, like this. Here third tone and first tone, we have half third tone. 买花, 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 like this. And I will tell something about here R. This one is R. This one is Hua. Hua. And as opinion, when we write here, actually it becomes like this. But we don't write this E. So we are writing this like this. And read, we should read Huar, Huar. And the other rule with this, for example, we have a character and its pinyin is Juan, and we add R. So again, we don't add this E, and we should write it Juan, and R is together here. This one is A. So we ignore. We are writing like this, but when we read, we ignore this N. So we should uh, read like Huar, Huar again. Huar. I hope you understand this, and later we practice with this too much. And for example, there is some words here and there, and it means we learned J, right? It's fourth tone, and when we add is this R, and we should write like this J. It means here. Also, in north side America around the Beijing, people generally speaking like this J. They are using too much. But in south part, they use li, jili, or nali, like this. Later we will learn the li. Okay, this is more extra information for you. So if you have any question, write, please write on comment section. I will answer that. And here we are. My Hua, my Hua, my Hua, fourth tone and first tone. We don't have rule. Here third tone and second tone. We should read like half third tone. Da ren, da ren, da ren. Fourth tone and second tone, we don't have rule. Da ren, da ren, da ren. Like this. And third tone and fourth tone, we have half third tone. La dong, la dong, la dong. Here second tone and fourth tone, we don't have rule. La dong, la dong, la dong. Second tone and fourth tone. Wrong yi, wrong yi, wrong yi, wrong yi. And second tone and first tone. Wrong yi, wrong yi, wrong yi. Okay. The last part. Here first, the couple first tone we have here. We should read like fei ji, fei ji. Our sound is constant and the high volume. Fei ji, fei ji. San jia, san jia, san jia. 发生，发生。交通，交通。秋天，秋天。春天，春天。And so here we should read 秋，秋。You think in the middle part here there is O. So 秋，秋天，秋天，秋天。Here we read we don't read like chun. we should read chuan, chuan, like this. Chuan, chuan tian, chuan tian. 星期，星期。Here, 应该，应该，应该。抽烟，抽烟，抽烟。关心，关心，关心，关心。Like this. Okay, guys, you should practice these opinions and tones too much. In this way, you can practice, you can improve your pronunciation in Chinese. And I hope the video helps you to improve yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next video.